I'm very far. I'm number 24.
Oh, number 24?
I am very far.
Oh, but 24 also good, very good.
Oh, 진짜?
Hmm.
Boss Dylan, thank you.
150 in the pendant.
Boss Dylan, thank you. 1 million na ba yata? Nanalay, mangulit ang diri.
Wow.
Okay. Guys, blasting time pa ta. Okay. Nagkakaon nag-blast, guys. Ha?
Wait. Why?
Okay. Okay, this game is free gift.
Free gift? 어? 아닌데?
Ha? Ay, wait.
Cancel?
Cancel.
Cancel? Oh, but
Ay, the
love is
booster.
okay? 아니야, it's okay, Ella.
Oh.
Let's do more match because I'm very happy now.
Okay na. Okay. Boss Dylan, salamat kayo. Nag-effect ba? Effective ba siya, Boss Dylan? I am number 15! I am number 15!
15? Whoa.
Boss Dylan, instead! I am number 15!
Whoa. Perfect.
Boss Dylan! Effective
Wow.
nga yun! Guys, wag niyo kabosin yung ano! Yung I only pick you with yung now. Agay effective nga. Tama ba to, Boss Dylan? It's 6?
Oh?
Only tama di ay? Interrupt na because it's hard to get over the first match. Unsa ni pasabot Boss Dylan? Guys, don't trap na because it's hard to get over the first match. Guys, ayaw na daw! Ayaw na mo bagsak! Tama lang. Dapat lagpasan yung score kanina. I get the idea. Don't drop na daw kasi mataas yung score kanina. So dapat ang mga gifts na natin is yung ano na, yung mga regular match lang, regular match. Okay. Don't use booster, okay? Don't use booster. No, we need to do picky normal match na para mag-ibang live case. Hello, ayaw gamit ang booster! Don't use booster, sayang! Don't use booster! No! Don't use booster! Use it for the next game! Guys, pag heart me mo kang Youngwon. Heart me to Youngwon. Heart me Youngwon. Heart me kay Youngwon. Ayaw sa magbagsak ko kuha. Ayaw sa magbagsak. Youngwon kang heart me kang Youngwon.
Calm down, Queen.
Effective ba siya ay? What rank are you, Youngwon?
In the Talent League, my rank 17.
17. Hey, you know what? Hey, effective talaga siya, Boss Dylan. The fast pop is very effective because I am already almost 2 million. Wow.
Wow, 2 million?
I'm almost 2 million coins. I cannot. I'm very far. Wow.
Wow.
Sayang, no? Boss Dylan, tayo ang galing pala talaga nun, no? Wow, ganun pala. Kaya that's why many people, that's why Boss Dylan. Wow. See you. Cancel na? Okay na? Mag-normal match, kaya nag-drop ako ng 10 gloves. Ganun pala yung Boss Dylan. I know, I will not cancel because we need the booster. Oh. Kaya pala need ng timer and, kaya pala. Okay. Kaya pala. Wow. Dapat kunin booster, use booster. Wag magamit ha, mamaya na, sa second. Why? Si Yongwon. Yongwon.
Mm.
Sarange. Sorry.
It's okay. I can wait you forever. It's okay. I told you I'm open time for you, only for you. I can wait you.
You wait me?
Always. I always waited you. Always waited your call yesterday, your text yesterday, your match today until now.
어떻게 how to normal match?
Normal match?
normal match.
이거?
이거 normal match? Not
됐다.
이거?
normal match.
이거 마지막.
오케이. 마지막?
걱정 마. Because I am shy. Because I'm doing blasting time than you.
오케이, 알았어.
Boss Dylan! Okay. Not majimak, okay?
아니야, 일라. I can understand. But we can match tomorrow also, right?
Yes, we can match every day. Taga ka, Boss Dylan.
Every day?
Oh. It's six! Thank you! Kana, muna ni mga give ibang hata, guys! Thank you so much! This tomorrow is mga 9:50 or 9:40 gahapon ko mag-blasting time. Then this is, because Suwong is, he told me that he want to play me 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
You know Suwong?
소원?
Huh?
I don't know.
Jordan.
Jordan.
You know Jordan. What do you
Jordan
think?
is very, very jealous. I never think about he's my rival, but
What's the hell thing? Okay.
Hanho also. Hanho also.
You know Yunho.
Mm.
You know Yunho is very kind.
Very kind, but Ella, you should. Do you prefer strong man?
Oh,
I'm the strong man.
you are strong, man.
They're always lost.
Okay. It's XTQ. Okay. It's XTQ. Okay. Whoa!
Always lost.
Boss Dylan!
Whoa.
Six! Boss Dylan, it's the XTQ. What? Naka 2 million coins na ta? Taga ka, six! Naka 2 million coins na ta? Hoy! Kanagan ba? Boss Dylan, six! Taga ka! Kanagan ba?
Wow.
Yung musukol. Okay. Wow, it's the... Naapa si Ma'am, si Ma'am Julie ni Ingon ba ito, musulod daw siya.